4 common mistakes new online entrepreneurs do. Mistake number 1 new online entrepreneurs do everything by themselves. There's this idea out there that being a lone wolf is cool and efficient, that is the right way to go. But there's a saying that goes, if you want to go fast, move alone. But if you want to go far, move together. Working by yourself can pose a multitude of problems. First problem is that some things can just take too much time, and it's a good idea to outsource. It's fine to do everything yourself right at the beginning to at least understand how it works, but you should start outsourcing as soon as possible, especially when things don't require any complicated skill or talent, such as customer support. Second problem is that working by yourself can create echo chambers, so at least if you have a business partner, the good thing is that not only you'll be able to split the work with them and go further, but also you'll be able to bounce ideas off each other and make sure that you're staying on the right track. If you cannot outsource yet and you cannot or will not have a business partner, try to have a network of people around you with whom you can talk to from time to time about things that you're all learning and problems and experiences you have encountered. This will make you grow way faster than if you were doing everything by yourself. So remember, don't believe the lone wolf idea. It's not a good way to go about it. Mistake number 2 new online entrepreneurs do. Not give your new business enough time to make it work. Things take time. I know it can be frustrating at the beginning because things don't work at all, and a lot of times you can lose money quick and feel like you're not making any progress whatsoever. Besides, you keep seeing posts on social media on how good everyone is doing, so you'll get the impression that you're the only one not having success. But that could not be further from the truth. A lot of people face the same difficulties when starting out, and even successful business owners face those difficulties too. A business isn't a steady ship. Sometimes things are great, and next thing you know, things are going bad. It's full of ups and downs. Besides, what ends up happening to many new online entrepreneurs is they suffer from shiny object syndrome. Shiny object syndrome is when you're constantly distracted by new exciting things and have trouble sticking to one thing for very long. It's like a kid in a candy store seeing all the shiny new treats and wanting to try them all, instead of just sticking to one and savoring it. In business, it can mean constantly jumping from one idea to another or starting new projects without seeing the old ones through to completion. And the problem is that things take time. So if you're always switching to the next big thing, nothing will ever work. Mistake number 3 new online entrepreneurs do. The inability to manage distractions. If you're starting out, it might be your first time working for yourself, and on this digital age, it's very easy to get distracted. Managing your attention and focus is a skill we need to learn, and it's different for all of us. There are a couple of videos on this channel that can help you out with this. One is about how to make the most out of your day as an online entrepreneur, and the other one is 5 Google Chrome extensions to help you focus and prevent distractions. I'll leave the link in the description of this video. I highly recommend you watch those. And finally, mistake number 4 new online entrepreneurs do is to not follow a blueprint. When you're starting out, don't try to reinvent the wheel. Follow something that's already proven to work. You need to get that experience in first, and then once something is working, you can try to do your own thing. But you need to learn the fundamentals first and follow the path of someone who already made it. Courses are a great way to do this. Just make sure you get into the right one, as there are a lot of bad courses out there. I would say only 5 to 10% are good and will actually teach you something valuable.
Now, you can try to figure out how to make money online on your own, but if you want to go straight to the right answer and learn literally the best method that exists out there as of right now that's helping complete beginners go from $0 to $1,000 a day without any previous experience, click the link in the description to sign up for this week's free workshop, and you'll learn how you can start earning a sizable income online as fast as possible. So click the link in the description now.